Hello, this is the analysis of cat behavior in this video. You can see this is a cat Jojo, and you can see I'm trying to play with the cat. So you can see how the Jojo is behaving is like in a playful attack mode, trying to play with me. So I'm trying to playfully attack him. He's also trying to play. So the understanding in this video is that if Jojo didn't wanted to play, he would have ran away immediately. But in this video, you can see him playing aggressively, little bit of aggressively, and binding my knee. Till he's going there and sitting. I'm coming near him. If he wanted, he would have just ran away. That was his choice, but he chose to enjoy a little bit of mine playful and attacking nature. So I was provoking him, I guess, to attack more and all. I was scratching his back. See how he's doing? Yeah, he's like enjoying the moment, I guess. So see, these cats, I don't think anyone had made him play so much. So he's like almost 2.5 years old, approximately. But he feels like some kind of stimulation. I have given him some stimulation, some excitement, to play without having any kind of fear, right? You see that? See how he's doing, yeah? I'm pulling him, yeah? So now he was stimulated and he attacked Daisy. So I think he got a bit, overstimulated. He tried to copy how I am doing to him and he's doing to that little kitty Daisy. So, so this is some of the fun moments I have shared with you. Please subscribe for more analysis on it.